Good day, my ladies and my gents. Uh, as those of you who have signed up for the newsletter at VCGResins.com are aware, checked your email, you will have seen a deal from Josh saying that we are starting his 4-year anniversary celebration. 4 years ago, July 17th, he opened shop. And on July 21st, a few days later, he had his first sale. So, in that vein, he is having his 4-year celebration, and we are the winners. First, go to vcgresin.com. When you first get there, you'll have a pop-up that comes up, and it will have where you can put your email address in it, and it'll give you some of the rules. And you get entered into a drawing. The drawing goes until Monday, July 28th at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. So between now and then, just go to VCG Resin, put in your email, you're entered to win. No purchase necessary. Don't have to buy anything right then. Excuse me. The prizes are two $25 gift cards. That's basically second and third prize. Grand prize. Oh man, this is I want one of these. Grand prize is a $50 gift card and two not yet released engine kits. You're looking at close to $100 worth of stuff plus shipping. So that's about $100 right there. So anyway, that's a pretty good prize. Yay! So rules, you have to be 18 or older. Must enter by if you enter by 5 p.m. Mountain Time, Monday the 25th, or excuse me, 28th. 5 p.m. Monday the 28th, July 28th. Drawing will be held on Thursday, July 31st at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. It is not going to be televised, and winners will be contacted by email by Monday, August 4th, and will have 7 days to respond, or the prize will be forfeited, and so another winner will be drawn. Must use the entry form on the website. And gift cards will be delivered by email. And it'll be valid for 1 year from the date of issue. Okay, pretty simple. Now, we go a little further. As I said about the history, being that it was on that date, July 21st, will be the anniversary of his first sale. So, from July 21st until as it starts at midnight, July 21st, that morning and Mountain Time, and it goes till 11:59 Mountain Time, July 31st. It is a 20% off everything you order, automatically applied. So you just got to go pluck up some stuff, plug in the numbers, and bang, you get 20% off. The only drawback, doggone it, is you can't combine it with any other offer or any other discount, which means that my discount or some of the others that are in the VCG family, like Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop or Tiffany at Dirt Road Cinderella and a few others, you can't use our discount codes in addition to. So 10 days there, you can't use ours. But yeah, go check out VCGResins.com and save yourself some money. Enter. You might be lucky and you just might win something. The old joke, you can't win if you don't enter. So head on over. And while you're over there, just, like I said, go ahead, sign up for the newsletter if you haven't. Put your name in there, put your email address in there, click, you're done. You'll get notifications like this. If go shopping, here until the 21st, you can still use my promo code Jester10, get 10% off, and then after that, you can use, it'll just automatically apply on the 21st, and you get 20% off. A heck of a deal. So, anyway, I'm busy working on my Ford F-250 four-wheel drive pickup, big thing, coming out nice. I'm getting excited, so I'm going to sign off of this and I'm going to get back to work on it because I'm having fun. Catch y'all next time. B-Tex signing out.